Bye, sir. Oh. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh my. Oh my god, that was scary. But now, guys, let's see if we can reach our goal. The last race, let's see. Thank you for tuning in and welcome back to a brand new video. And today we're back in iRacing in our road to 2k iRating. We're closing in. We're currently at 1.8k iRating. And the circuit of today is Oulton Park. I actually raced already quite some time at Oulton Park. But this time is different because it's a different layout. And I've never raced it before. I just figured it out. I saw Oulton Park at the week planner. I was like, oh, that's nice. I know the track. But then I figured out that it was a different layout. So that was a bit tough and I only had like half an hour left to practice. But yeah, I feel good. I love this track. It's really crazy. It is high speed. There's a lot of sharp turns. It's a really short circuit with lap times around 1 minute and 6 seconds or 1 minute and 7 seconds. Our best lap time in practice was 1 minute 6 seconds and 8 tenths, if I said correctly. So without further ado, let's try to get a good qualifying position and let's jump straight into the qualifying. Let's go. Going to be really crucial to set up a really good lap time here because there are limited overtaking spots and it's really unforgiving. So if you make one mistake, then you're literally cooked because yeah, then it's over. And there's really tricky turns, so it's quite hard to make a mistake, especially probably in the first lap with all the chaos and cold tires. So let's focus now on warming up the tires properly, and it's going to be crucial to set up a good line. So I'm really nice, good time. So I'm really going to lock in for this quali laps now. I lost too much time in the first corners, but I think it's quite okay banker. Let's lock in for the second one. Much better. I didn't want to take that much risk to get an off track. I took it a bit too careful there. I braked too early, but still good improvement. Let's see. 171. That's not good, guys. I think that's probably going to be like a P5 or P6 or something. Oh, because we had like in practice we had a 167 or 168 if I remember correctly. So we're 3 tenths off, but it was really tricky because I made some small mistakes. I took it too easy into the last corner, which cost me definitely a tenth at least. And it was quite tricky because the first lap my tires weren't warm up correctly. For now we're in P1, but I don't think we're going to keep P1, but we'll see, guys. Fingers crossed. Oh my god, guys, it's looking like we're going to get pole. I expected it to be like P5 or P6. What? I didn't expect it. I was just chilling on my phone waiting for someone to overtake me, but it didn't happen. Oh, guys, let's go.
Green, green, green. Right side. Clear on the right.
Uh-oh. We created a little carnage there. Okay, guys, we got some breathing space. Let's pull away now.
There's an incident behind.
Oh, he's off, he's off, he's off. He's off. Let's go, guys. And the car behind as well.
The car behind has gone off.
Oh my. Let's lock in now, guys. We literally got it gifted if we don't fuck up now. 5 seconds ahead of second place. Are you kidding me? I'm going to watch the gap, guys. And I'm not going to take too much risks and just bring it home. But of course still push. But I'm going to keep an eye on that gap so I can determine my race pace a bit and just keep that gap consistent. Oh my god. It couldn't even gone better. Okay, I ruined that corner a bit. I lost 4 tenths there. I've got to watch out for that. Don't like that. Let's push. And let's not get too many off tracks, because then we can improve our safety rating as well. 172. We can still improve a lot there.
P3, just set the fastest lap. 6.553.
That worries me a little bit.
Car in P8, just set the fastest lap. 6.4.
But of course they have slipstream, so that will help a lot as well. Almost halfway into the race, guys. I brake way too late for this corner. I actually can't get this last corner right. I struggle a lot with it. Nice. You can actually take a little bit wide there to the corner. It's not an off track. Let's see if we get a if we can get a 1-6, guys. Okay, yeah, no, we're not going to get at 1-6. Alright, slightly later braking point around here. Yeah, okay, that is much better. Gap is still around 5 seconds, but his lap times are much faster, so that's not really nice. Oh, it was still fastest lap, that surprises me. 1-6, hey guys, we still got it. Let's go. Oh. Someone's off. I'm happy he wasn't in my way or something. Imagine if he took me out. Oh. Let's take it easy. Oh my. And especially since I see a back marker there, which I don't like at all. Oh no. Okay, fortunately, I was thinking some crazy shit would go down here, but unfortunately it did not. Oh, let's go, guys. We finally got our win again. Oh, it's been so long. I think this is only my 3rd or 4th, actually. Vamos! Let's go. Simply lovely. It's not really one I'm really proud of because it was really gifted to me. And I didn't even drove that well. So, but yeah, we'll take it, guys. Let's go. It's a really big step towards our 2K iRating goal. Since it was a really boring race, let's do one more race. And let's see how it goes. We're now into the 2nd race. Of course, we created that opportunity for ourselves as well because, as I said earlier, qualifying is crucial. It's really important, especially in these really short races of only 12 minutes. And mostly are really narrow tracks or really technical tracks. So yeah, then it's just crucial. So let's try to do our trick again. Of course, now we're facing better racers. So that's going to be tricky. But let's warm up the tires properly. And yeah, let's get some good laps in, guys. I'm excited. Let's go. Okay, I got a feeling that I warmed up the tire better than previous session. So let's go, guys. Oh, missing the apex there. That's a shame. Needs to be better. I'm not happy with this one. Oh, that's a shame, guys. That's a shame. We pushed too hard. Oh, and now it's going to cost us a lot of positions. No, no, no. It was totally our bad. And I think there was definitely like a 1-6 high or a 1-7 low in it, at least, because I just felt so confident and improved a lot. And I felt like where I could improve more. So this is a bit of a pity, but hopefully we don't lose too much positions. And yeah, let's just wait for the results to roll in and see what starting position we're going to get. But it doesn't look good, guys. All right, guys, it's now only 15 seconds left, and as you can see, we dropped to P6. So not that ideal, but it's not too bad either. It's crazy that like 5 people didn't even get a lap time in, and you can see how close it is with like the compared to like the from P6 to P2, only 3/10. So you can see how vital the good qualifying lap is, because if you got a better qualifying lap in, it would have gained us maybe in the best 5 positions, or sorry, 4 positions. So yeah, that's a bit of a pity, but it's all about damage limitations now, and let's try to push forward. And you could see in the previous race that it all went wrong for the cars behind me, so I gotta be really, really careful. We'll see how it goes, guys, but I'm a bit scared for this race start, but we'll see.
Green flag, green flag.
Oh, someone got a jump start behind me. That was the yellow car. Oh, bye, sir. Okay, that gave me some nice breathing space because he wiped out all the cars behind. Crazy. Be really careful here. Oh, they're going too wide through that corner. Yeah, of course that's going to end up in tears. But let's lock in now, because with P5 we would gain some iRating, and we're definitely not out of the battle to push even more forward, so... Oh, cool tires. Damn. But then we don't have to keep doing this dumb mistakes. Ah, come on, Allard. Lock in. Yeah, he's not going to overtake here. It'll be really dumb. Okay, I'm making too much mistakes. I'm not happy with that. We're lucky that we still have some breathing space again, because he made a mistake as well. So let's try to get to this group in front of me here. Oh, going a bit wide there, guys. That's not really good.
New fast lap for you.
Alright, we keep getting fastest laps, so that's good. 167. Oh. Big oversteer moment there. Oh, that was really... Oh, someone's off. Watch out.
Go right.
Oh, alright. Won a position, but we almost lost the car there ourselves. We gotta be careful here. He is right on our bumper. Might have to defend here. Yeah, I definitely have to defend. Okay.
Car on your left. You're in 4th position. Still there. Clear.
Alright, that was fine. Nice, he's backing out because it's too risky here. Good defense. Now we gotta pull away. Nail this corner. We do, he as well. Okay, now he has slipstreamed on this long straight. He might send it, so let's take a defensive line. Oh, he backs out, nice. Got a good exit through here. Might have to defend there. No, I think I'm good. Oh, he's going for it, watch out. Keep the space.
Stay on the left. Clear
Really
on the
good
right.
defense, guys. Nice. And now we created a gap. And now we gotta keep on pushing. Don't look back. Let's go. We currently have a gap of 7/10. The car behind. So I think he doesn't really have slipstream as well. Oh, missed the apex. No. Oh, no. That's not good. We gotta defend hard now. Let's move late.
Car on your left. Still there.
Yeah, we got the inside. Nothing you can do there.
Car 2 has taken the lead.
Okay, good defense, guys. But yeah, not really happy with that because now we lost our gap. Oh wow, it was really close to our bumper there. That was really scary. I was afraid he was going to hit us there.
The lead is gone.
Oh wow, someone's off. Okay, we gotta be careful now.
Got a slow car on the right. Go left.
Oh,
The
okay.
next car's the leader.
Whoa, that was close. That was really scary. P3, guys. Sometimes you gotta be lucky. And we're still into this crazy fight with this car here, but we defended really well so far.
Slow car ahead.
Oh, oh no.
Car right. Clear.
Are you kidding me? Someone went up in front as well. So maybe if they attack each other, it provides an opportunity. Okay, no one behind us. Let's try to not take too much risk. Let them battle it out. Oh yeah, that's going wrong. Okay guys, I'm going to take it slightly easy here. Because they're betting really hard. It's the end of the race. Only 1 more minute to go. They know, so they're going to push like crazy. And I think they're going to take too much risk and take each other out. And then if we stay careful, we can just overtake them. Oh. Oh my. Oh, that's what I meant. Oh my god, that was scary. Oh, I was already watching for it because I knew something like this was going to happen, especially in the last lap. I'm happy we were careful there, but mate, I got a heart attack there. Oh my god. Okay, now just bring it home. Alright guys, P2 it is. Wow, what a race.
Slow car ahead.
A lot of chaos.
Car stops on the right.
GG's, P2, let's go. Okay, wow guys, I gotta recover from this crazy race. There happened so many things. We stayed really consistent, didn't make any big mistake, only some small, really nerve-wracking moments. But wow guys, I'm really curious. I think we might be at our iRating goal. So let's see, let's look at the results of the first race. Of course, started from pole, really boring race. You had a gap of 2.2 seconds. We let the guy behind close the gap a little bit at the end. But yeah, the race was really gifted to me. So I'm happy with my start. We had a good start. We didn't make any big mistakes. We were at a good qualifying position. So we created the opportunity for ourselves. But still, yeah, not really proud of this win, you know. So, but yeah, we'll take it. Really good iRating points, of course. And some good safety rating score. Because we're actually closing into 4 safety rating. And then you automatically get promoted to C class. So that's something I would really love to achieve as well. But now, guys, let's see if we can reach our goal. The last race, let's see. Yeah, guys, let's go. Vamos. We have 2K iRating. That's simply lovely. That was my goal actually for this year because last year I started with iRacing. I had literally like 0 to none sim racing experience. I only did like on a really old Logitech setup some things and I was like, let's go. I started saving things up to build this really good sim, improved through the year, and I'm so happy that I finally reached that goal. So nice, guys. Really happy with that. I think we can now change the name of the series from Road to 2K iRating to the Road to 3K iRating before the end of 2026. Nice. Really happy with that. And thank you all for the support because I saw some really nice comments on the last video as well. Thank you so much for that. We improved our safety rating as well, gaining to that score of 4. So we automatically get promoted to C class. So only wins here. Let's try to get to C class. Let's try to improve our iRating even more. And yeah, it was a really crazy race. You guys saw it. I made quite a lot of mistakes by myself, like small mistakes, but they added up. Fortunately, not big mistakes like the other guys. But yeah, it was crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed it a lot. I love recording videos. And please, if you have any feedback for me how to improve, let me know. Thank you so much if you made it to the end. I really appreciate it. And I hope to see you in the next video. Ciao.